Good day everyone, welcome to my channel. So in this video guys, we will talk about what is decryption is all about. Before we start, I would like to say thank you so much to all my viewers, silent viewers, and supporters in my channel. Thank you for watching my videos. If you are new with my channel and then you like this video, please hit the like button. Don't forget to share and please support my channel guys by clicking the subscribe button. So let's begin. What is description? Description, decryption rather, is a process that transforms encrypted information into its original format. The process of encryption transforms information from its original format called plain text into an unreadable format called ciphertext while it is being shared or transmitted. Okay guys, so this is the end of our short video on what is decryption is all about. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that you have learned something new in this video. If you like this video, please hit the like button. Don't forget to share and please support my channel guys if you're new by clicking the subscribe button. See you in the next video tutorial guys. This is your friend Jake saying bye bye for now.